2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, tow hitch, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, automatic transmission, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, floor mats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.